Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about mastering strategic risk for triumph. Strategic risk refers to the potential events and uncertainties that can impact an organization's ability to achieve its strategic objectives. These risks arise from external or internal factors that may hinder an organization's strategic planning, execution, or performance. Understanding and effectively managing strategic risks are crucial for an organization to ensure the successful implementation of its strategic initiatives and long-term sustainability. Here are key details about strategic risk. Definition: strategic risk is the risk related to an organization's strategic objectives and the potential for unexpected events or circumstances that could prevent the achievement of those objectives. Types of strategic risks: market dynamics, changes in market conditions, consumer preferences, or competitor strategies that affect an organization's market share or growth opportunities. Technological disruption, rapid advancements in technology that could make current products or services obsolete or impact the organization's ability to keep up with industry trends. Regulatory and compliance changes, changes in laws, regulations, or industry standards that could affect the organization's operations, products, or services. Strategic alliances and partnerships, risks associated with collaborations, mergers, acquisitions, or joint ventures that may not align with the organization's strategic goals. Reputation damage, events or actions that harm the organization's reputation, such as negative publicity, ethical misconduct, or product failures. Resource availability and allocation, risks related to securing necessary resources, financial, human, technological, to execute strategic initiatives or projects effectively. Global expansion and geopolitical risks, risks arising from entering new markets, navigating geopolitical tensions, or changes in international trade policies that impact global operations. Risk assessment and management, conducting a thorough analysis of potential strategic risks, assessing their impact and likelihood, and prioritizing them based on their significance. Developing strategies and action plans to mitigate, transfer, avoid, or accept strategic risks while aligning with the organization's risk tolerance and risk appetite. Integration with strategic planning, embedding risk assessment and management into the strategic planning process to identify potential risks and align risk management strategies with organizational objectives. Ensuring that strategic risk considerations are included when defining organizational goals, vision, and mission. Monitoring and adaptation, continuously monitoring the strategic environment for changes that could introduce new risks or alter the organization's risk profile. Adapting strategies and risk management approaches as needed to respond to evolving strategic risks and external circumstances. Communication and stakeholder engagement, effectively communicating strategic risks, mitigation plans, and progress to key stakeholders, including the board of directors, executive leadership, and employees, involving stakeholders in strategic risk discussions and decision-making processes to gather diverse perspectives and insights. Effectively managing strategic risks allows organizations to pursue their objectives with a clearer understanding of potential challenges and uncertainties. It enables informed decision-making, enhances agility in responding to changing circumstances, and supports the organization in achieving its long-term strategic goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.